Your body still has the power to regrow itself. Most never activate it. Right now inside you, stem cells are waiting for a signal that never comes. That signal stopped. Not because of age, because of what you stopped doing. The science is real, the protocol is proven, and it starts today. What you are about to learn has been buried in research labs for decades. Stem cells are your body's master repair units. Every tissue, every organ, they can become muscle, bone, nerve, heart, or brain tissue on demand. At birth, your body had unlimited regenerative capacity. That capacity still exists. The problem is not that your stem cells disappeared, they went silent. Scientists call this state quiescence, a dormancy triggered by your environment. Poor nutrition, chronic stress, and inactivity push stem cells into permanent sleep. And sleeping stem cells mean tissues that cannot repair, regenerate, or renew. This is the biological root of what most people simply call getting old. But here is what changes everything. Quiescence is reversible. Specific biological signals can wake dormant stem cells and reactivate their power. Those signals can be triggered by food, movement, fasting, and targeted compounds. Harvard researchers reactivated muscle stem cells in aging mice within 72 hours. The mice regrew muscle tissue at levels seen in animals half their age. The same biological pathways exist in every human body over 60 right now. You are not too old. Your stem cells await the right signal. Impossible fact, a 90-year-old stem cells, properly activated, behave like a 30-year-old's. Before we activate stem cells, we must eliminate their greatest enemy, senescent cells. Scientists call them zombie cells, and they are inside you now. Zombie cells refuse to die and refuse to work, ever. Instead, they release a toxic cloud of inflammatory signals called SASP. SASP, senescence-associated secretory phenotype, poisons every cell around it. One zombie cell can corrupt dozens of healthy neighbors within weeks. After 60, zombie cells accumulate faster than your immune system can clear them. They clog tissues, block stem cell niches, and prevent regeneration entirely. Where zombie cells cluster, stem cells cannot function. The math is brutal. This is why clearing zombie cells is step one of any real cellular reset. The compounds that destroy zombie cells are called senolytics. Nature produces powerful senolytics in specific foods you can eat every day. Quercetin, in capers, red onions, apples, is the top senolytic. A Harvard Mayo Clinic trial showed quercetin cleared zombie cells and improved physical function. Fisetin, found in strawberries, outperformed every other natural senolytic in animal trials. It reduced senescent cell burden by 70% in aged mice within 3 weeks. The D plus Q protocol is now in human trials. Early human data shows measurable reduction in senescent cell markers within days. Clear the zombie cells first, then the stem cells have room to work. Zombie cells in your fat tissue are blocking stem cell regeneration now. Autophagy is the most powerful cellular rejuvenation system in the human body. The word means self-eating. Your cells literally consume and recycle their own damaged parts. In 2016, Yoshinori Osumi won the Nobel Prize for discovering how autophagy works. When autophagy is active, damaged proteins, broken mitochondria, and cell debris disappear. What remains is a cleaner, younger functioning cell, even in an aging body. Autophagy directly clears the cellular garbage that causes brain fog, fatigue, and decline. And here is the critical connection. Autophagy creates the clean environment stem cells need. Without autophagy clearing debris first, activated stem cells have nowhere clean to work. The master switch that controls autophagy is a protein called mTOR. When mTOR is active, autophagy is off. When mTOR is suppressed, autophagy turns on. The most powerful natural mTOR suppressor is the absence of food, fasting. Even a 16-hour fast triggers measurable autophagy induction in human cells. After 24 hours of fasting, autophagy reaches peak activity across all major tissues. This is not starvation. It is a precisely timed biological reset with profound effects. Intermittent fasting, eating within an 8-hour daily window, maintains chronic autophagy. Seniors who practice intermittent fasting show measurably younger cellular profiles. Exercise also powerfully induces autophagy, especially high-intensity resistance training. NAD+ is equally critical. It is the cellular fuel that powers autophagy enzymes. After 60, NAD+ levels drop by 50%, and autophagy weakens in parallel. Unbelievable. Fasting for just 72 hours can reset your entire immune stem cell population. NAD+ is the most important molecule you have never heard of. Every cell uses NAD+ to produce energy, repair DNA, and run autophagy. At 60, your NAD+ levels are roughly half what they were at 20. This collapse drives mitochondrial dysfunction, the engine failure of cellular aging. Mitochondria are your cell's power plants. Damaged mitochondria mean exhausted cells. Exhausted cells cannot divide, repair tissue, or respond to stem cell activation signals. Restoring NAD+ levels is therefore step 1 of mitochondrial repair and stem cell reactivation. The most potent natural NAD+ precursor is NMN, nicotinamide mononucleotide. NMN is found in small amounts in edamame, broccoli, cabbage, and cucumber. David Sinclair at Harvard takes NMN daily, and his biological age markers have reversed. Resveratrol, found in red grapes and blueberries, activates sirtuins that use NAD+. Sirtuins are the longevity proteins that repair DNA and regulate cellular aging directly. Without adequate NAD+, sirtuins are powerless. With it, they become age-reversing engines. Exercise is also a direct NAD+ booster. Muscle contraction triggers its biosynthesis. Cold exposure, ice baths, cold showers dramatically boosts NAD+ production within hours. Niacin, vitamin B3, is the cheapest and most bioavailable NAD+ precursor available. A 2023 trial showed high-dose niacin restored NAD+ to youthful levels in 8 weeks. Healthy mitochondria produce more stem cell activation signals. The cycle feeds itself. Repair the mitochondria, restore the NAD+. The stem cells follow automatically. Impossible, but true. Exercise for 20 minutes triggers stem cell release into your bloodstream. Here is your complete stem cell activation protocol. Proven, precise, actionable today. Day 1 priority. Eat senolytic foods. Strawberries, apples, capers, red onions. Every day. These clear zombie cells and open the stem cell niches blocked by SASP inflammation. Fasting window. Eat within 8 hours daily. Fast the remaining 16 hours minimum. Once per month, attempt a 24-hour fast for maximum autophagy and stem cell reset. Post-fast refeeding is critical. High-protein, leucine-rich meals to signal stem cell rebuilding. Exercise protocol. Resistance training 3 days a week triggers stem cell mobilization directly. High-intensity interval training, just 20 minutes, releases stem cells into circulation. Cold exposure 3 times weekly, 30-second shower. Stem cells respond immediately. NAD+ protocol. Eat NMN-rich foods daily. Consider niacin supplementation after doctor consult. Resveratrol-rich foods. Red grapes, blueberries, peanuts, dark chocolate. Eat them consistently. Sleep 7 to 8 hours minimum. Stem cells peak during deep sleep. Deep sleep is when growth hormone peaks, the primary systemic stem cell activator. Chronic stress destroys stem cell function. Breath work, nature, connection. These are medicine. Every element of this protocol compounds. Together, they create a cellular environment decades younger. The final frontier of cellular longevity lives inside your mitochondria. Centenarians worldwide share one consistent biological trait: extraordinary mitochondrial health. Their mitochondria produce energy efficiently, repair DNA rapidly, and signal stem cells constantly. Healthy mitochondria are not luck. They are the result of deliberate daily choices.